Gang, happy Wednesday. Good to see you all here. Another day. Let us rejoice in it. Let us be glad in it. It's going to be a fun live stream here today. We're midway through the week. Got a fresh new month, and man, I'm ready to go. I am ready to go. I am fired up. Are you guys feeling good today? You guys fired up or what? Let's get some W's in the chat early here. Gonna set up the Zoom, and we're gonna get the party started. Yes, sir. How you guys feeling? Welcome, November. All right. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join our free Discord now. It is an awesome community here. We got over 6,000 people in the Discord, so you're more than welcome to join. The link will be in the chat throughout the live stream, so you guys can join there. Let me just send this Zoom link out to in here, and I think we are good. Yeah, we're good. Let me share my screen, and we're ready to roll. All right, perfect. Perfect. How'd you guys do in London? Anybody take any trades there in London session? Haven't really looked at the charts much yet. But hey, it's good to be back here today. What up, Z Gamers in the house? What up, Storm Player? Classic Traders in the house. What up, Rob Trades? Dominic, Got a Trade is here. Miss you, man. Hope you're doing good. One of my favorite guys to work with. One of my favorite guys to work with in the Elite program. Got a Trade. There he is, popping into the live stream. Hold on. Let me... My bad, boys. Let me fix this. Let you guys in. All right. What up, Got a Trade? How you feeling today, man? What's good, Dominic? What up, YOLO Trader? Joe Stewart's in the house. What up, Joe? What's good? Yanosh is in the building. YOLO, YOLO. Oh, Gary FX is here. What up, Connor FX is here. What up, everybody? The Yeezer. The Yeezer's in the house. What's up, Bruno? How you guys feeling today? Everybody doing good? What up, Dennis Hood? What up, Xander? All right, I think we're good. Let's do this, man. Let me just grab these, pull these down, and yeah, let's start the month here. So, hello from India. Hello, 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 hello. Yep, we're going to change the monthly record. We're going to do all that here in just a moment. I just got back on the charts. Took a quick peek at Asian session. Was waiting for a closure below. Got the 15 close, but never got a top wick on that candle. So ended up letting that whole move go and just continuing on with my evening. But yeah, man, it's another day here. So it's another New York session. Welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like on your way in here as you settle down and relax here as we get the party started, that would be awesome. So like the stream, gang. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna start here. So it is the 1st of November, man. 1st of November, new month upon us, and you know, we've got a lot to look forward to here with gold. So let's go ahead and take a look. It is Wednesday. We do have some news here coming in today. We have ISM manufacturing PMI. We also have JOLTS job openings, and then we also have the Fed speaking here later on today. So pretty big day here on gold. New monthly candle. The previous monthly candle has closed. We're gonna go ahead, take a look at that, talk about that for a sec. Let me just lower the music here. All right, cool. I think that's good. And yeah, so we're gonna talk about that in just a moment. But you know, Wednesday is full of some red folders even throughout the afternoon here. And then, you know, tomorrow, which is Thursday, which is going to be the 2nd of November, we've got unemployment claims and a bunch of other news throughout the session. And then Friday is going to be the big banger, right? Friday is going to be NFP. So we'll have that at 8:30. So we got a pretty exciting week ahead of us. We're just kind of jumping out swinging here in the first week of November, or the first couple days of November here. So it should be a good one. We should get off to a great start. October was awesome. It's been a great year so far. We're going to continue on as we move through quarter 4 and just continue to do what we do best, right? That's come to the charts, be disciplined, be professional, and keep the long game in mind, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts and see what we got going on here. Let's talk about this monthly candle. Y'all ready? You guys like the stream? Give the stream a like. Let me like the stream. Let me give the stream a like here. Hold on one moment. Gotta like the stream real quick. All right. Oh, 143. I actually really like that number. All right. Anyway, let's get going. We got, I think we got what, 5. Okay, cool. Yeah. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the charts here. Let's talk about gold monthly time frame, right? So as you guys know, we are clearly in this rejection zone here on gold, right? So these are going to be the all-time highs. We talk about this all the time, but let's see what we have going on here, right? Because if you notice, we have these 3 rejections, right? 1, 2, and 3. And you know, price, every time we rejected from there, price moved down here, right? Price ended up moving down into these ranges. Same thing here, right? You had candles close, reject, and price ended up moving down. Same thing recently, right? So we've been tracking this, the entire move up and the entire move down on the live stream. So, you know, now that we've moved down, we've created this support right here, but price moved back up, right? Now, very, very, I don't even know, wild candle, right? You closed a no bottom wick here, you opened up, you shot down right away, retested these lows, and then just moved all the way back up, engulfing all these candles, attempting to close below these all-time high closures, but wasn't able to do it, right? Wasn't able to do it. It was showing signs yesterday in the morning and in the afternoon that that gold could potentially close back above, but we had a very drastic move down towards the end of the day there. So monthly candle did not close above this all-time high closure here. So I do think that we will see some sort of a move up, but being that the candle closed right at resistance, you may see, you know, this is obviously early predictions here, but you may see the candle end up closing something like this. Right, I think we could shoot up though, right? I think we can move up and then close something like this at the end of November. So look, there's 29 days, 11 hours left before we get a closure like that. But there's a possibility, being that we close below the range, that this candle will close bearish, right, in about 30 days here. So just an idea, but overall we are bullish. Although we didn't close above, we're still bullish, right? We still had a strong bullish close. So monthly candle can go, you know, I think we can move up here and then probably close bearish at the end of the month. But you know, I think if we're up in this area, gold is definitely going to want to make a second attempt in this zone here, right, to potentially, you know, move up and see what it can do there. So especially with everything going on in the around the world and stuff, you may see something like that happen. So yeah, something like break the highs. Like you see how this candle came up, broke those highs, and then closed back bearish, right? We could totally see something like that. Monthly come up, break highs, push up into this, you know, 2040 zone, 2050, and then come back down and close below the range here. So we'll see what happens. We got a long wait for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly, see where we're at, right? We are going to need a bottom wick here on the monthly candle though, right? We could expect that. Taking a look at the weekly, we see that the weekly is moving down. We did close above the resistance here, and we should be pushing up to probably, you know, 2030, 2040, somewhere in this range if we do want to retest that resistance. As of right now, this candle is just making a bottom wick to potentially move up, right? That's all it's doing. If this was a 30-minute time frame, you would just think, hey, you know, we're making a bottom wick here to most likely move up. Now there is a level of resistance right here where, you know, there's not much wiggle room for price to move up. So we'll have to keep track of this weekly by you know, watching how the daily candles close here. So talking about the daily, let's head down to the daily so we can see how we're going to play the game here today. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So daily did close bearish yesterday, so we created a resistance right here, and we did close bearish. Now it looks like we had a pretty aggressive drive down early in the Asian session without making much of a top wick. Now that top wick is still holding strong. I don't think we've broken it just yet from the opening of the candle. So yeah, if we can come down today, we could probably tap into 1970, right? Unless we're actually trying to create a new support. So as of right now, the daily candle did close bearish. We're going to be looking for sells today. We're also going to be open for buys as well, but we can see that the daily time frame does have this support level right here in which price may want to tap into before either rejecting or closing below to continue moving down. So that's what we can expect. We're going to look to target these support levels here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on there. So 4 hour did move down very aggressively here, right? This was the 4 hour candle from yesterday where we moved up off of the at 9:30 there, and those buys were, you know, they were there, but they were tough to take with a strong 4 hour close, strong 1 hour bearish close. So they were there, they moved up, but you know, I don't know, they were wishy-washy there. So anyway, the candles did move down. It looks like we're trying to come up and create this resistance at this point. We did close back above the range, so at this point, you know, we may see gold move up to like 1989 here, possibly even back into 1992. So this 4 hour candle is very bullish. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour's got a very strong resistance level right here. We're going to keep an eye on that. And then really the only support we have is down here on the 1 hour. So we're going to have to find a support level here on the 30 minutes so we can create this range. And I think we have found it, right? So you have a pretty strong area, right? So you have a support here, but there's also another range right here, which is pretty important. I think sells below there. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, it's also going to be the 15 support level, resistance level also. So yeah, I think a 30 closure back below 1980 would indicate price to start moving down here. Daily get going again, right? Bearish. And I think closures above 84 would look pretty clean, because that would start to break the daily highs here. And if we're breaking these daily highs now on the third session of the day, so you know, drove down during Asian, drove down during London, if we're going to go down today, we should continue down in New York, right? We shouldn't really break that high and keep going up. If we do break the high, then there's a very high probability that we will move up, and this daily candle may, you know, close something like this at the end of the day, close bullish, creating a support here, right? So we're going to be open to the buys and the sells here today, and that's how we're going to do it. So buys are going to be above this 1984 870 here for me, which is going to be the 1 hour resistance. Actually, I might have to put that a little bit higher here. Yeah, so buys above 1985 999, exactly 999, and then sells are going to be pretty clean below 1980 as we anticipate the move back down. That'll also be breaking these lows here, the current 4 hour low as well, and I think that's going to be a good position for us to take to anticipate the sells and anticipate price moving back down here. So that's going to be the day here for me on this lovely Wednesday. So clean buys above 85 or 86, and then sells are going to be below 1980. Cool. Done. Dunzo. That is the work of the day right there. That's it. Now we just wait. And then below, I think below 76, you got even more traffic. There's a big wick to fill here. So who knows, man? Maybe price wants to fill this wick. That is the down here, right? These support levels coming on down. So we'll see what happens. We've got some time here. We've got some heavy news coming in. So anything can happen once the party gets started. All right. Easy day. Yep. Easy. Yeah, 15 minutes ranging here as well. There are possible buys above here on the 15. I think you may have like a 20, yeah, like a 20, like 15, 20 pip range on the 15-minute time frame if you do get closures above there. I don't think I'm gonna take those today, but you know, anything above 85 or 86 here is pretty clean to move on up. Yeah, you've got a super clean range here. Lot of range to recover. Yeah. If the 4 hour really wants to get going, moving bullish today, you're gonna see a nice correction here. But we did close below on the 4 hour previously, but this whole back in the range thing may bring us up here. So we'll see what happens. We got to get past 85, 86 here to consider any buys though for me. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well, and then we could chill for a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly closure. Oh, wow. Oh, damn. So monthly candle closed bullish. Damn, we must have pushed up heavy yesterday. Yeah, wow. I did not even, didn't even see this happening yesterday. But let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen. So, man, we are chopping around here, right? This is our monthly consolidation here. Very, very exciting, right? Just chipping away back and forth. We have, what is it called again? Barcode, right? Barcode strategy happening on pound yen monthly time frame here. So it is it's a bit of a story to tell, right? It's just up and down, this aggressive move down, and really can't move out. I mean, if we look at the monthly, right, we can say that the bullish momentum could be dying out here, right? We're trying and attempting, and you know, even this attempt back up, and then unfortunately just closing with no top wick. And I don't know, man, this is rocky waters here. So you may see a closure below and a move down throughout the remainder of the year, but as of right now, 0 candles have made a decision. So no candles have made a decision on which way to go. The weekly is obviously just completely chopped up here. Weekly candle is trying to make a run, but even above here is very choppy, right? So let's see what happens. Let's go to the daily time frame. Daily close with no top wick. So we all know that if bullish candles close with no top wick, there's not the greatest chance of price moving up that day. So we're gonna consider our buys and sells here today. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour is moving down pretty nicely here. It's just driving down. Looks like you did some sort of liquidity grab here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour is pretty clean. It looks like you did close below here on the 1 hour. So let's measure this range here. You got about a 19 pip range coming down. So probably gonna wait here for NY open, but this is basically your range on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 30-minute as well. 30-minute also has a pretty strong support right here. It looks like we closed kind of like right at it here. So I don't know if we get a closure, like a 30-minute closure now back below this new support that's been formed, right? So I'm not going to take a celery play here, but if you get a closure back below, then there may be an opportunity, right, for the next candle to move down. So I'll probably look for something like that. Not going to take anything here. There's a support that's been formed at this point. It's semi-closed above, if we're being legit and honest, right? Closed above. So yeah, just gonna wait, right? If this 30-minute candle closes bearish, then there may be an opportunity for us. If not, we'll look for sales below 83.250 here. Yeah. So yeah, so just gonna wait at this point. Gonna put a new support level there, and then there's also another support right here. So we'll see what happens when we close below these ranges, or if we close below them, and we'll go from there on pound yen. If not, you may be looking for buys, but I don't know. 4 hours just driving down heavy right now. So we haven't really established any sort of bullish close on the 1 hour yet. Yeah, the 30-minute has closed, but gotta see more, right? Gotta see more on the 1 hour closures, and you know, to anticipate somehow this candle turning around here. So not going to touch anything, gonna leave a new support right here for myself. I'm also going to mark this support as well, and sells are pretty clean below either one of them. So that's what I'll be waiting for here today. And then buys, probably, let's see here, if we can get a closure maybe back above here. Yeah, notice when we closed above here, we moved up, closed above, moved up. So if we can get a closure back above 183.711, then I'll look to take my buys moving up. So yeah, that's gonna be pound yen here. Cool. Gucci, how's it look? Questions, comments, concerns? Talk to me. Talk to me. What up, Just Pele? Hey. Everyone who was fighting for last in the chat yesterday, who I seen, you guys let the veteran beat you out, man. Green was the last one to comment yesterday. Some of you guys that don't join the after party, you don't really know what I'm talking about right now. It's more so for the people who are in the after party at the end of the stream. That was cool. Almost got it, man, but the veteran beat you guys out there. He knows how to play the game. MG, man, MG. Rookies. Noobs. I'm driving home during the after party. Oh, my man is vibing. You got it on Bluetooth? Got the Bluetooth cooking? Yeah, you can't play with green, man. He don't miss. That boy don't miss. Your suggestion for anyone who just started trading like 2 months ago. Have been on your stream since August, but I've been struggling. I get confused on what to follow. Of course you are, right? You're brand new to trading, right? So you've only been trading for 2 months. So of course you're gonna be confused, right? Of course you're not gonna really know what to follow. You're gonna struggle a little bit, right? This is a brand new skill set, right? A very it sometimes could be a very difficult skill set. So, you know, it's okay to be confused. It's okay to, not know exactly what's going on. You're brand new to it, right? So I would just learn the basics. I would literally go on babypips.com and I would just read, right? That's what I did. I just read up until Japanese candlesticks. So go on babypips.com, read everything there until you get up to Japanese candlesticks, right? And then continue to show up to the stream day in and day out. As you have questions, as questions arise, ask those questions. There's a live chat here for you to get live responses, right? So there's never been a better time. You don't have to go out and buy a course. You don't have to go out and, purchase signals and try and just make money off of, your phone. And, you really want to study the game, right? So dive into Baby Pips, show up here day in and day out, ask the questions as they come, take it serious, and you won't be the guy who has to spend 3, 4, 5 years learning this, right? You don't have to be like me. It took me over 2 years, like almost 3 years to become consistently profitable. So you can do that in half the time or a quarter of the time if you just show up here and pay attention day in and day out and ask questions when they come. That's going to be the best thing you can do. Best thing by far. Playing Glory to the Father in my car. Let's go. Do we trade gold? Yeah, we trade gold. What's the bias? Just if you rewind the stream back just like, I don't know, 10 minutes, you'll see the whole breakdown on gold. It's well worth it. We're going to be waiting for at least 9 minutes here. You can watch the whole breakdown in less than that. What up, Jeremy? What up, Sergio TTE Santos? Hernandez, Enriquez, and Gracias. What up, Ben T Paz? What's goody? What up, AB Mike? These cars ain't gonna fix themselves, man. Nope. Not yet. See the update public? Oh, I mean, I'm sorry. What am I saying here? Did I see the update playbook to your Insta? Oh, no. Oh, you sent it to me on IG? All right, cool. Cool. I'll check it out. My phone is on the charger over there. I'll grab it in a sec. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. Thank you. Do you trade by... Honestly, I'd never heard of any of those concepts, so I'm not too sure. That was helpful. Okay, great. Assad, shout out to Assad. What up, Chris? Chris from Uganda. What's goody? Is your live stream win rate based on the day 1 of streaming? Yes, February something we started. Let's clean up the monthly record here. Let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Back to a blank slate here. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Always good to come into a fresh, clean month, right? Oh, nice. All right, this is the NASDAQ. Let's talk about NAS 100 real quick, and then we'll continue our conversation here. So monthly candle did close bearish, right? So we closed bearish on the monthly here. Very, very nice closure. Now, we've been moving up quite a bit, right? So I think this monthly candle, they're trying to create a support, right? So price can move back up. So I think ideally, you know, what the monthly really wants to do here is kind of create support. I don't know if it's going to be on this candle or, you know, maybe lower, right? But ultimately, this is kind of the trend you're in, right? You're moving up. You want to create support and continue, continue moving up. Now, where will that support be formed? Well, we're not going to try and guess that, right? We're just going to wait for the signs to show, because you may see a whole new bearish move here this month, right? For price to come down, and possibly that support gets formed somewhere down here instead, right? So we're not going to anticipate any supports before they actually present themselves. So currently right now on the monthly time frame, we're pretty bearish, right? We could see maybe a top wick being formed and price moving down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly also closed bear as well here. So we closed below this support level. Nice strong bearish closure. You should see a nice move down, right? If candles are closing below, there's a support level right here. There's probably even another area right around here where price is going to want to fill this range, right? You've got clean candles to the left. We're only day 2 of this month, this week. So, you know, right now we're just kind of creating that top wick for price to potentially break the lows here and move down towards like 135, 600. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish, right? So we closed bullish on the daily time frame. We did close above these ranges here to the left as well. So yeah, today we're going to be bullish on on the daily time frame. Looks like we're trying to come down to create this bottom wick. So let's see how we can find buys here on the NASDAQ for today. So you do have a 4-hour resistance here. There's also a pretty decent support level here on the 4-hour. So this is basically the range that we're trading in on the 4-hour time frame. I think we need some sort of break out of this range, right? We're kind of coming down, tapping into the support, trying to make a decision here on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go see what the 1-hour is presenting. So 1-hour has that same support there, right? So you got a pretty strong support, nice clean candle to the left, a couple wicks to fill. If we're going to take sells, we're probably going to take them below 143.40 here. So sells are pretty clean below here. And then let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Oh, that don't look good on the 30 at all. Let's take a look at, yeah, 30's. Oh, man, yeah. So we probably need a closure. If we're going to take buys here, we probably need a closure back above all this resistance, right? There's a lot of resistance, a lot of support. I think if you get a closure back above the range here on the NASDAQ at some point, then we can anticipate the daily candle continuing to move up and at least clean this range up top here. So that's that would be ideally what I would like to see here on NAS 100, and then maybe sells below here, but that's pretty tough, right? 30 minutes pretty choppy. It looks good on the 1-hour, but you do have a lot of rejection here. So I think this looks good on the 1-hour as well. Just, you know, buys above these levels here for price to continue moving up, right? Because the daily time frame is bullish. So if we get these buys, we're anticipating the bottom wick has been formed and price to move back up, potentially break these highs here. So that wick fill is our target there, and we'll see if we can get it. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on NAS 100 here for the remainder of the session, but this will probably be the target here, which is the previous daily candle wick fill, and then you've got a support, you know, coming down here. So that's what I'll look at for NAS 100 here today, and see if we can get a sample size move in here. Perfect. Yeah, we'll get more serious with the NASDAQ as we continue on throughout the year. Probably going to introduce this trade and bring it into the watch list. Right now it's sitting on the bench, but possibly bring that pair into the watch list come 2024. Interested in signals? There should be links all throughout the stream. GJ broke. Yes, but we need to wait for this closure here in 2 minutes. So we need to wait on a closure here on pound yen. Let's take a look at the 15. 15 looks pretty decent too. Got a pretty clean candle there. So yeah, if we get a closure below, this may not be bad. It's going to be a, let's see. Yeah, we'll see. The range isn't the greatest, but we'll see. What up, mate? What up, mates? Do you take all your trades on stream? Not all of them. So we have a signals channel too. So any other trade I do take, I usually I'll call it out in the well, actually every trade I take gets called out in the signals channel, just due to the fact that the signal bot is hooked up to my MT5. So no matter what, if I'm taking a trade, it's always gonna pop in that signals channel. Oh, what up, Louis G? Louis G. Yeah, 30 minutes going to close here. 1 hour is still open. 1 hour looks pretty bearish. Let's see how the 30 closes here and see what range we really have left. So we've got about a 17 pip range. Probably gonna have like a 14 pip stop. Let's see how the candle closes here. Yeah, let's see if we get a top wick. If we can get a top wick, then there may be a possible position here on pound yen. Got about 17 pip stops if we're gonna use previous candle. Buy. Gold still ranging here. I sell gold at 5 a.m. at 30-minute rejection, waited for a wick to form, and after it broke its own low, I entered, still got stopped out. Was I wrong? What time? 5 a.m.? 5 a.m. Yeah, what'd you have? Did you have current candle stops? Is that what it was? It looks like they broke the low and then probably pushed back up there. Yeah, that may have been the issue. Yeah, anytime you can, it's best to use previous candle stops. Anytime you can. Yeah, what time is it? 7:30? Yeah, 7. So we have NY Open coming up here in like less than 30 minutes. That's most likely when gold will get, well, gold will probably get ripping around 8:30 here today. Yeah, let's take a look at the news. Yeah, unemployment claims will probably begin the move here on gold. And then all throughout the session, it should be, ISM, yeah, PMI. I'm like, it's not Thursday. Yeah, this should get everything rolling, but I guess this isn't until 10. So 8:15 is just the unemployment change with non-farm. So we'll see, man. We may get 8:30 positions here today on gold. Yeah, 8:15. I like 8:15 news a little bit better because it allows us to enter in on the 8:30 candle. So yeah, let's see if we could re-break this high now and then re-break the low. So if we could re-break the high, push up a little bit further, and then re-break these lows, I'll probably get in sells here. Yeah, you got about a 14 pip move here. Oh, the question was for gold. Gotcha. 5 a.m. Yeah, gold just ranging, so I don't think I would have taken anything at 5. You said it was a sell? Took a sell. Right? Sell. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken a sell there. If it was a sell, that candle closed with no bottom wick, so I probably wouldn't have taken sells there. Yeah, unless I get exactly what I want here, which is a break of the high and a move back up, then I'm not going to take these sells, right? Because I know that volume is coming in 30 minutes. So why settle for something before the volume when this may potentially move up, close a little bullish, and then we have a 30-minute celery play at the NY Open, right? So I'm not gonna do anything until I get exactly what I want. And if I don't get exactly what I want, then I'll wait and see if I get exactly what I want at NY Open. Oh, nice. There it is. So there's the re-break of the high here. So there's a couple wicks in this area which I'm paying attention to. I was measuring it out to see how much distance we have here. It's a 12 pip range, right? So it's basically a 12 pip range here. I think what I would rather do is wait for this candle to close. And if this candle can close bullish and remain below the 30-minute support here, then I think that we have a really nice celery play on our hand at 8 a.m., right, for price to drive down. You got about a 15 pip move here, but these wicks make it like a 12 pip move. So I don't know. It's volume would be much better at this point. Did you study with Raja? Yes. Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. The GOAT. Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. He really helped me understand candles and ranges and volume and session times and all that good stuff. Yeah, gold's gonna chop around here till 8:30, gang. Oh, thank you, Sunday. Thank you. Blessings to you as well, my friend. What up, PM? What's good, everybody in Zoom? How y'all feeling today? Good to see you. Let's see. You still don't have my funded account, but that doesn't mean. Oh, nice. Oh, you're waiting on credentials, huh? Waiting on them credentials. I buy your course yesterday. I don't have a course. I don't know what course you bought. Not sure what course that is. Bro, stream is like Raja's, and I'm saying that in a good way. Keep it up. Just subbed. Oh, nice. Thanks, Alexandros. Wow, we got Alexanders, we got Alexandrews, and now we got Alexandros. Shout out to Alexandros. Thanks for subbing, my man. Appreciate that. Oh, he's gonna do a live stream today for FOMC. Oh, nice. Yeah, we'll do a live stream as well. We'll have to tap into him later on today. Put his stream up here. 12. Yeah. I like Alexandria. Right? He goes 12 plus pips. Plus slippage against the daily, even though it's a celery. It doesn't sound very rewarding. Yeah, that's the thing, man. My broker with pound yen is horrible. I'd be open to taking the celery, but I don't think I'm open to taking the 30-minute push here before NY Open. I bought your course. Yeah, gang, there's I don't know if he's being serious, because that's Daniel. He might be kidding, but there are a lot of scam pages coming out, so please just be careful. Like, trust me, gang, you're never going to get a message from me asking if you want to purchase something. It's not going to happen. Hey, you want to purchase these like, it's just not going to go down, right? It just doesn't even make sense. What up, Pablo? How you doing, man? Johnny boy here, bright and early. Bright and early. Yeah, the only thing I have are signals, which I'm not gonna reach out to you and ask you if you want to purchase them. Though that's just something that if you find it, you could find it and you could purchase them there, and that's how that will go down. I'll never ask you though. I'll never be like, I'm not like hustling signals, you know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna reach out, cold call, pound the phones, try and hit the DMs. Yeah, yo, you interested in signals? Right? If you want it, you'll be able to find it. You'll be able to grab it. But I will never reach out to you guys asking if you want, you know, anything. Yeah, the signals are all we got. We also have an 8-week program. I'm also, due to the high demand, you guys, a lot of questions, a lot of people asking me about the, about like a shortened version of the Elite. We may put together like one more round of like 1 week, a 1 month mentorship. I'll keep you guys posted on that if we do it, but that's probably gonna be the last round of 2023 here. But yeah, I'm never gonna reach out to you gang. So no courses, no random IG messages, no random Discord friend requests, none of that. Yeah. See, Daniel's joking. See, I know him too well, but there are people. There was about 2 or 3 guys who did get scammed, man. So I don't want to see anybody get scammed. Bink, bink, bink. Oh man, we're cooking on the likes, gang. 817. Hey, wow. Hey, yo, man, I'm feeling that. Damn. All right, okay. 818. Appreciate you guys, man. Wow, didn't even have to. Damn, just look over and just see how amazing you guys are. Bink. What up, Joe Stewart? Joe Stewart's in the building. Bright and early. Bink them likes. Bink the likes. Bink the like button. What up, Sam, man? Good morning, bro. How you feeling today? Bink, bink, bink. We breaching 1K? Yo, 1K before NY Open? I don't even know if we've done that. Have we done it? I don't know. I'd have to ask John or Sam. I don't know. I don't know if we've done that. Yeah, set up for us nicely for NY Open. Nice celery play. If we get a celery play, I'll risk the 4 pip slippage on pound yen. Screw it. Yo. Crypto Madden's in the house. What up, Crypto Madden? Yanosh, how you feeling, Yanosh? How you feeling, YOLO? Yo, are we gonna crack 1K? We're on pace. Before 8 a.m. Damn. I don't know. A whole herd just came in too, man. I don't know. You guys must be spreading the word, or maybe it's the likes. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here today. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we won't be. If we get slipped on the celery play, I won't complain about it. How about that? Yeah, it's whatever. Slipped on the way in, slipped on the way out. GJ gets very slippy on ECAP. Not gonna lie, gets very slippery. Which session do I trade most? New York session. Yeah, last night I was looking at looking for a move here. Where was it? 15-minute time frame. Right here. So yeah, yesterday, which was in the Asian session, we had this range here. Right? So you had a support, you also had whatever resistance, and I was looking for a closure below. So got the close below, was all ready to take this sell, but this candle of course had zero top wick. Right, but the move went down, so I was gonna target that support there, but never got what I was looking for on that top wick there. So just had to let it go, let it go, just let it go. The ribeye move. How can we get your mentorship? Right here, brother. Right here, man. It don't get better than this. Stick around for a couple days, a week, and you'll be like, oh yeah, he's right. It don't get much better than that. Right? It doesn't get much. If you have an opportunity to watch a like a professional trader or just someone live streaming and trading well, then take advantage of it, right? Eat the knowledge up. I remember I was treating that thing like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I was taking all the nuggets in. All the nuggets. And it's free. Yeah, and it's free. It only costs you your time, which is one of the most important investments, right? So make sure you're investing your time wisely. Don't sit here like this. Like some of you guys, you're literally, I'm your background noise, right? But then some of you guys are locked in. Some of you guys are taking notes, but some of you guys are just scrolling right now. And right now you're looking up. You're like, he's talking about me, right? Some of you guys are just scrolling, paying no mind, just waiting for Bruce Buffer to show up and say it's time, right? It's like, you got to pay attention, man. If you want this and you want it bad enough and you want to do this independently and really make a difference in your finances, you've got to pay attention, right? The stream is free, but you're investing your time, which is literally the most important thing. You're never going to get this morning back, right? You're never going to get it back. Sure, you could watch the replay, but now you spent 6 hours learning what you could have learned in 3 hours, right? So pay attention, gang. Pay attention. Not all the time are we, dropping these crazy gems, but they pop up, right? They pop up here and there. And if you're not paying attention, you ain't going to catch it, right? If you ain't got the ears to hear, it's going to go right by you. And then the guy who's hungry, who's, weighing on every word that's being set up here, that dude's going to go places a lot faster and probably a lot further than the one who's just sitting around waiting for a trade, blah, blah, blah. Like, oh, yeah, it's pretty cool, whatever. Like, I got better stuff to look at right now. You know what I mean? It's just, you gotta be hungry, gang. Gotta be hungry. When I was on the streams, I was locked in. There's some of you guys, I know there's some of you guys who have never typed one word in the chat, but you may be more committed than anyone here, right? I know that because I was that guy at one point. So just we're here, we're doing this to have fun and have a good time, but we also want to see lives change, right? We also want to see traders get up and going with this thing and not have to continue struggling over and over. So pay close attention, my friends. You never know where that one gem is going to be, right? Anytime my mentor put out a message that he was going to be somewhere, man, it didn't even matter. It didn't matter what time it was. If it was 1 a.m. and I had just gotten into bed and this dude said, yo, we're going to be at the Nanuet Diner at 1 a.m., I was jumping out of bed and going because I knew if I wasn't there that night, there may have been some wisdom. There may have been a nugget drop that I could use to catapult my business, right? But if I didn't show up, I would have missed it. So every day counts. Every day counts, man. Lock in. Yep, lock it in. I'm that guy. Sheesh, now we don't even have to leave the house. Right? We don't even have to leave the house anymore. Ten more likes? Oh, let's go. Hey, 11 more likes and we're at 1,000. Hey, Zoomers, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, Zoomers. I know you guys probably did already, though. All right, we got 9 minutes here now for the 1 hour / 30 minute / 15 minute / 5 minute / 1 minute closures. Oh, we did it. W. Hey, 1K on before 8 a.m. with 9 minutes to spare. Damn. You guys are solid. Solid. W. Hey, first, hey, we're off to November strong already, right? Strong vibes in the chat. Quaker. Shout out to the Quaker. I love that. Someone whoever named their Quaker username Quaker, that's too funny. What up, Nathan? You're solid, big dog. Broski. Yeah, man. Bink. Yeah, let's see how gold closes here. We got 7 minutes. Is a pretty strong resistance level. Let's take a check up in on pound yen here. So we did break the lows. Haven't really been moving much. We'll see if we actually get going. The 15-minute broke the lows here, so kind of had a 15-minute celery play there. I be honest, I don't really mind. I don't mind missing this range even if it happened. The cleanest sells are below 83 anyway here today. So it doesn't matter much. I'd rather wait for volume and all that good stuff. Dope seeing the community grow, brother. Yeah, what up, Mike Warden? Yeah, man, it's been quite a run here, right? We started the streams in February. So from February, we've got almost 23,000 subs. So it's grown a lot. And, you know, my job every day is show up, bring the energy, and really provide as much value as I can to you. Right, I'm a really good trader, but I'm great in terms of mindset. Right, I've been through a lot. I've had incredible mentors who have saved me a lot of time, and I think I can do that for you guys too. Right, pass some of the wisdom down that I've learned, and you know, even outside of trading, just these other things that we talk about constantly. Right, just shaping up, being better all around. I think the value there is really growing the live streams. Really grown the live streams, and not only that, but everything we talk about is so applicable, right? It's instantly applicable. You can go and apply these things in your life right away, and within days, weeks, you will see results. So even outside of trading, right, we're hitting W's all day long. Speaking of W's, Johnny Boy's in the house. That's a W. For the NY Open, bright and early. Johnny Boy, what's up, buddy?
Good morning, good morning. What's good?
How we feeling, big dog?
Feeling blessed, baby. Feeling grateful. How you feeling?
Yes, sir. Blessed and highly favored here today, man. Feeling good.
Yeah.
Doing what I love to do with a great crew. Got my younger brother here, my other brother in the chat. I mean, we're making moves, man. We're making big big top G moves here. We got a lot of people improving their lives in the chat, and couldn't ask for a better opening of the day than this.
For real, man. We locked in. Tunnel vision. I'm grateful for the season. I'm just so ready for it. So ready to just tackle my goals.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Morning, chat. Happy Wednesday. Happy 1st of November. Great to be back here. Great to see y'all. Morning, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are all feeling blessed.
And highly favored. It's going to be one of those
And
months.
highly favored. Ready to start. Oh.
Bink. I felt so
Bink.
blessed while reading the message in the Discord for the beginning of the month. Amen. Amen. Going to be a big blessed month here. GJ dropping. That's A-okay. We'll see the 1 hour closure on Pound Yen too. The Bink stuff. Yo, I like that Bink. Bink.
Yeah.
Bink. Sam's a trendsetter, man. Sam, I think, has set up every trend we've ever had on the live stream. He came up with the bleeder. He came up with the juicer. He came up with the Quaker. And now we got people with YouTube names as Quaker. Sam came up with the what was that other one? Oh my God, why am I missing it right now?
Motion. We got motion.
Motion. Sam came up with motion. Man, Sam.
There's more he came up with.
Yeah, he's a trendsetter, bro. Bink, bink, bink. Oi. He came up with oi.
Oi.
I'm telling you, man. What he says just sticks.
Nah, for real, yeah. Chat, what else did he do?
Yeah, he's came up with a lot. Motion. You come up with you go back and watch our old streams, you'll hear us talking about that a lot. Just wait on it, pack runner, motion, damn. Sammy Capital.
For real.
Sam should rap. Yeah, he came up with a lot. There's more too. I'm just forgetting.
Nice.
Just wait on it. Sam be up here speaking Spanish. He does it all. What up, Ewan? Ewan's in the building. Oh, thanks, Killshot. Thank you, thank you. That's always a fun thought. Sam's just that guy for real, yeah. Jesus is the King of Kings. Yeah, Jesus is that guy.
Jesus is king, babe. Oh.
Oh, nice. Just watched the playbook video. Gotta say, too much value. Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I gotta make more videos like that. We do so much here on the live stream, right? So a lot of guys, they just kind of dedicate to content. So they'll put like 3-4 hours a day, or every couple days in on content. But we spend a lot of time here on the live stream. So a lot of our content, if we really wanted to, we could probably just make incredible short films of content, right? That we just can take from the live streams. If I actually went back and just watched the live streams, which would take a lot of time, but man, if we just pulled, if you guys want us to pull anything, put it on Reels, just put it in the I think there's a channel in the Discord that we may have, right? I don't know. I think there is.
For real though, you could literally do that.
Yeah, if there's excuse me, anything that you guys like or you want us to that you feel will bring value to other people, clip the part that you like. And I don't know, do we have a channel for that here on the Discord? By the way, you guys can join our free Discord here. Oh, food picks. Oh, just a teaser. Yeah, you could put it in, like, I don't know, probably, I don't know, maybe Trader's chat room for now. Yeah, we'll make a room for it. Yeah, let's do it in the words of wisdom. Yeah, that's a better fit for that room. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put some wisdom in there. Clip videos. Oh, yeah, that's right. I think we have a room called clip videos.
Hurry up.
Or do we have that room? Let me check.
Never seen that.
We could definitely put it in the words of wisdom if you guys like to put it there. Shiro's hilarious. Yeah. Yo, Shiro's, for those of you guys, this guy Shiro's a boss, honestly.
Hero's still on vacay?
Yeah. All right, NY Open is upon us here. So we did close bullish here, very weak. So I think gold's gonna be waiting here for the news, right? Like we already discussed. So we need to wait on 8:15 here. So we'll sit out this 15-minute candle. We'll see what happens, right? If we get closures above or what happens with the news there. So we gotta wait on gold. Pound yen though looks like we did close bearish as well here. So we did close bearish on GJ. And you've got about like I don't know, like an 11 pip. It's just not enough range, right? It's just this whole range just isn't really enough. So I'm not going to take the pound yen stuff. I need a nice clean range. So if we can come down and maybe close below, then I think this is going to be much better here. Unless we create a resistance up top here, then I'm just going to wait. This is a much better range for us to trade in. Yeah, unless we come up and do something like this, like candle closes and then we get a bearish candle to close up there, then I would rather just wait, right? There's only 10 pips left in that range, so maybe this, and if not this, then once we get an actual close below here, then I would look to take sells. Shiro's in the building. What up, Shiro? The dabs are here. He's dabbing away.
In the chat.
Dabs in the chat.
It's nice. And I remember when the dab became famous.
Shiro made it famous, man. Oh, like in real life?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I remember. Ooh. You guys are funny.
Yeah, with the bottle flip. Yup, that's right, Randall. You bottle flip, you get it, you land it, and then you dab. Dab on the haters.
Yeah, we got some heavy news coming in here in just a few minutes. 6 minutes, 7 minutes.
Well, we got 8:15 and 10 o'clock, right? Yeah.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Hey man, news loves to just take place in the NY session. Hey, it was good, Dennis Hood. Is it bad that I'm in a long position on GJ? No. If you're following your system, I think you're good. All right. We are bullish on pound yen for the day. We don't have a topic, but hey, the only thing that matters, right, is if you follow your system, follow your strategy. If you're doing that, you're winning. What's up, Shiro? What's up? Hey, Sandman, what's good? John, are you gonna start streaming soon? Yeah, so we're gonna start. I want to start the stream in by like February of 2024. Just because one, I'm not ready right now, and I'm also going on a vacation in like a couple weeks. So, and then we got December and January, so we got little bit of like a crappy months in the market. So after that, we're gonna be ready to kick this thing and get this thing going. So just wait on it, right? Gotta sit tight and wait for Johnny Boy. Yeah, y'all, man, just gotta work out your patient muscle on me. Hey, but once it's here, and we're gonna run it up. And I just moved in my new spot, so I'm still getting everything straight here.
Oh wow, we have new updates. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Saw a couple people asking.
I like to break the playbook. Oh man.
Like to break the playbook.
NASDAQ. Let's go take a look. Yeah. Yeah, you may get a on the new 15-minute candle here, you may get a push here on the NASDAQ as well. So let's wait on it. But news should be arriving here in just a few minutes. We've got about 6 minutes. 15 on gold is trying to create a resistance here. Let's see how this one closes. Daily bias on pound yen is bullish. Yeah, that's another reason why I'm not just gonna jump here with a 12 pip range. Like whoop-de-doo, like I'm really excited about that, right? So like if we can get below here, that'd be awesome. If not, we may get fake outs, right, to move back up in the range here, because daily candle's still bullish. But I am very open to taking sells by the looks of this previous daily candle close with no top wick. But I want to see what I want to see, right? Otherwise, yeah, this is nothing right here. Just a little range, little itty bitty range. Did we take any trades yet? No, we didn't take any trades just yet. Not yet. Give me 1 sec, chat.
Yeah, I don't know about you, Chad, but when I'm trading, I want to trade in a nice, big, clean range.
especially pound yen when I know I'm getting slipped 4 pips. So that 12 pips goes to like
Hurt.
8 pips. Psalms 91:23 came on my YouTube. Hey, yeah, what beautiful promises, right? That we have over our lives. Why is December a crappy month? I wouldn't say it's crappy. I would just say it's going to be more slow because you're moving into the last month of the year. I mean, surprisingly, the last year, precious volume just kept in the markets. I mean, all throughout the remainder of the year, which is pretty cool. But typically, it'll slow down in volume. You have a lot of big institutions, you know, taking off for the remainder of the year, right? Right now, they're trying to put all the volume in, get everything together, get their goals tightened up, right? Because they all have got quotas and goals and everything like that for the end of the year. So now's a good time. They usually get all that done, and then September is more of like a chill month.
So you said September?
December.
Yeah.
December.
More like the end of December, like right before Christmas.
Yeah. Last year's
And
volume
then the
was
first
crazy.
couple of weeks of January.
Yeah, last year Q4 volume was awesome. It really was.
Facts.
Yeah, I was shocked. I was shocked last year because Q4 was maybe the best quarter of the year last year. We really stirred up the pot on gold. Yeah, let's see. So news is coming out now in 3 minutes here. So let's see where news takes us. We may have an opportunity at 8:30. If not, we'll wait for the 4-hour candle to close here and take a look at our options at that point. Right now, there's no trade. All right, no trade at all right now. So just candles are very, very small. They're not really doing much. So once we do get a breakout, you should see a pretty nice push. Yeah, war was there too. Yep, exactly. Yep, we'll also be coming into the elections, right? I think, yeah, next year, 2020, yeah, we'll be coming into the elections. So we'll have U.S. elections coming in. So that'll stir up the pot quite a bit as well.
Damn, I can't believe.
Lots of misleading things will be going on in the news. So you'll get a bunch of confusion and uncertainty and all that good stuff. And that'll move the markets all around for us.
Can't believe the election's gonna be a year from today, or a year from this month.
Yeah. What was your highest win rate you had in a month? This year it was like 95%. Yeah, this year I think that was in April or May? No, June. Yeah, June. So June we had one break-even trade and then one loss. So that was I think that was our best month of the year. Yeah, March.
June was a nice month.
March we had, I think we had more trades in March, but April was pretty solid too. We took 2 losses in April. May was fire. May was a good overall. We took a lot of trades in May. But yeah, June was probably the best one because we only took 1 loss there in June. Where my gamblers at? Yeah, we got 1 minute here for news. So let's see. Are we gonna move up, down, all around? Where are we gonna go? We got
Hey, who's gambling today?
anyone gambling this 8:15 move? $30 seconds. What you guys doing? Buys or sells?
Casino time.
You've been in longs? Okay, cool. I'd rather gamble FOMC. Good point, bro. Why gamble this? Oh yeah, we are gonna stream later. My bad. Are you gonna stream later? Yeah, we'll stream. We'll have another stream later on today. Oh, where we going? Where we going? Here's the news. Up we go. Will we remain going up? Can we break the daily high? Can we re-break that high? Let's see. I think there it is, right? Almost. Attempting to. Can it break down the door? Yeah, let's see how numbers came out here. Oh, red numbers here. So yeah, looks like they were expecting 45 there. We got less than, so it was 44 last. Oh, that's CHF here. Hold on, where's? Why didn't these come out yet? Oh, there it is. Yeah, 113. All right, cool. So yeah, their red numbers came out here. So let's see, prices probably, if we can get through this resistance here, I think we can make a move up. But in terms of the sells, I'm gonna continue waiting. Right, we need a bearish closure here. Yeah. Yeah, so same thing. We're just going to continue to follow price here. GJ hit BE. Oh, yeah, CB hit there. Yep. Just had some sort of feeling there. Yeah, I want to see because the 1 hour, I mean the 4 hour is still open here. So I'd rather wait for the 4 hour close here on pound yen. Yeah, we would have been stopped out, or not stopped out, but we would have probably hit B on that. So good try, good try. The range was a bit too small for me.
Yeah.
So, especially on a more of a bullish day. Because if we're bullish on the day, right, then the 4 hour will probably create support at some point, right? So that support can be formed, or the closure can happen, and then the support on the next candle. So you may get a pullback, right? So yeah, maybe if we broke through this range, and yeah, that would have been a better opportunity for us.
Yeah, I didn't like the range either on that.
I think we eliminate pound yen, man. I've done it and my win rate has improved. Yeah. I mean, we mainly only trade gold, I would say, for the most part. But yeah, you are right. I mean, look, you guys have seen me debate, go back and forth with pound yen here this year. And man, it's just, I don't know. I know GJ very well, but GJ isn't the same GJ today that it was in 2019, 2020, and 2021. It's a different. It just moves differently. I don't know if it's just in the New York session or what it is, but you know, the pair that we're looking to potentially start trading is going to be the NASDAQ here. So that will most likely replace GJ come 2024. But for right now, yeah, it's just sitting there. But yeah, it has really changed up. It's not the same pound yen as I once knew. Yeah, bring in Nas. Yeah, NASDAQ is probably going to come. We're going to make a call to the bullpen and bring in Nas 100 here, I think. GJ gave me the best profits, but it became trashy now. I know, man. GJ used to pay, man. GJ used to pay well. GJ belongs to the streets. Yeah, that's true. Everyone trades GJ too now. Yeah, I like Nas. I at this point for trading gold for so long, I can't trade a Forex pair. It's got to be something with volatility in it. Got to be. Yeah, GJ's boring to me now, right? Like these little ranges. That's why I'm like, I'm not really interested in that because it's just why, right? Why do that when I can catch a 50 pip move on gold potentially? So yeah, we'll see, man. GJ's plus GJ has just been in a. If you look at the monthly, it's just been running up, right, since January here. So back in the day, it was a much better trading pair, right, than it is now. So I don't know, especially in the New York session. So really haven't been doing much besides moving up and now consolidating for the last, couple months here. So yeah, I thought once we got this bearish close, we were like, all right, let's throw GJ back in the mix because we might move down and create ranges and all that good stuff. But it's just been just straight up, consolidation here.
Nas and gold sounds cooler too.
Nas and gold might be the moves.
Cooler lineup, right?
Yeah. It's like Kobe and Shaq. What up, Shad? Morning, brother.
Morning, Shad.
Wish I took a buy on pound yen in January and just held it.
Right? Imagine. Maybe if we were Nancy Pelosi, we could.
I could have been like, yeah, I traded GJ all year. Just one position. Shad in
only
the
if
house.
there was a way
to predict it. $820 coming in, so you should see a move up here, or a move in general, right? Some volume here. You got 820, so we'll see. We'll see about this 30-minute closure here. What up, Henry? Henry Restless in the house. Buying GJ next year.
Great.
Yeah, just put a small lot on it and just hold. How many points is a pip on NASDAQ? Oh yeah, maybe someone else that can trade that trades NASDAQ can help us out with that. Group hug.
Facts. Who trades NASDAQ and knows that?
Shad, where'd you go on vacation, bro? Oh, nice, Jim. Good stuff. Yeah, hey. Good to have you here, bro. Oh, he stayed in Brazil. Okay, cool, cool. Storm Potato. We still trade US 30? I don't think we ever traded US 30. Storm Potato. We got Storm Player and we got Storm Potato.
Potato. Hey, yo, Nick's pretty cold this morning.
It was beautiful, man. I liked it.
Hey, if you had a hoodie, I walked out without a shirt. And I was like, hey, yo, it's cold.
Felt good.
Word.
Yeah, I had a hoodie on.
Yeah, word. That probably felt really good, man. I'm liking this cool weather.
The winter's coming.
Facts.
It's gonna be lovely.
For real, for real.
Man, I'm getting ignored by like a side chick. Oh damn! What was your question? Yo, you guys say the funniest stuff sometimes. All right, we're breaking the daily highs here, so that's good. Daily highs have been broken. News taking us upward. How long have you been trading? I've been trading since I started learning about trading in like 2018. Started getting a little bit more into it in 2019, and then 2020 is when I really started to up the ante. Yeah. Sup, Nick? What's up? What's up? Oh, 36 degrees in Atlanta. Oh, steering wheel warmer. Steering wheel warmer. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, let's see if we get a closure here. If we get a close here, then you know, you may see a move up. So we'll see if we can close above. You got a nice like 40 pip move. 43 pips, about 100 pips to that next resistance. But you got a clean 45 pip range here if we do close above in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Yeah, so what we would do here is stops would have to be kept below the current candle, or at least back in the range at somewhere, right? So if the current candle is only like very short, right, like 10 pips or something, then it's probably just going to be back in the range here, maybe below the 5 candles. So yeah, probably about a 25 pip stop. And then you got a 40 pip move coming up. So yeah, let's see if we get the closure or not. Yeah, otherwise you're gonna have to use previous candle stops, which are 32 pips, which aren't the worst. All right, for a nice move up, but we'll see if we close above or not.
Mine's like 40 pips.
Yeah, you can always lower your lots. Do what you got to do.
Yeah.
$55 seconds. 55 seconds. What's a good broker for a newbie? Hugo's Way. No, I'm just kidding. Don't use Hugo's Way. Probably like Dominion Markets is not bad. I have a question. If news pushes price up, let's say 15 pips, would it be reasonable to move a trade's TP 15 pips opposite of whatever direction it moved on the regular price? 15. Hold on, I'm trying to understand this better. Yeah, I don't, you may have to word it a little bit differently. I don't understand how to answer the question. Icy markets.
Hey, gold just wants to drive, huh? That would be gold. That would be.
Yeah, so 30-minute popped right away. So that's fine. We'll see what we want to do here. You may get a pop here, activate all the buyers, close back below the range, and decide to move back down. So we'll see. But no bottom wick here, just a straight pop off right away. That could either lead to two things: a major move up or a closure back below this range here. For like 30, see how the 30-minute zone is here? Could potentially be like a 30-minute fake out here. Yeah, did we close? We didn't close above the 15 either. So you see the 15 resistance there? Never closed above there. So yeah, this candle may turn around, give you a bottom wick and shoot up, or actually give a bottom wick and stay bearish here. So I think it's best we chill out at this point. Merry Christmas. Foster, you have to register. You have to register as Bitcoin. So your residency, I think it has to be BTC or Bitcoin. Yeah, wherever you pick your country, it has to be Bitcoin. Looking for some action. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Give me one moment. I'll be right back.
Had your MT5 open, looking for some action. Yeah, right. Time to continue building our patient muscle. GJ30 is ready. Hey, if it's ready for you, it's ready for you. It doesn't look good to me though. Doesn't look good to me. Look, let's look at Nas. Ooh, Nas dropping up. No bottom wick, just straight driving right now. Bullish. Nice. Anyone in Nas? Are your areas of interest based on current structure, based off gold? So are you asking like how we mark support and resistance? Well, if you're asking me that, then I look for support and resistance. I look at where price taps or wicks to or rejects that. where I see a lot of taps at, and I look at the most recent support and resistance zones. I believe that's what you were asking. John and Nick are brothers? Yes.
Brothers. And Joe. Where's brother Joe? Where's brother Joe?
Chat. Joe, where you at?
Joe's in the chat. Got one bro on Zoom holding it down, one bro in the chat.
Oh.
Got a bunch of bros in the chat.
Hey, if you're looking for a prop firm, you're asking any legit prop firms, look on Google and look at the reviews. Check out the reviews of these websites and companies, and pick and choose for yourself.
Google.
We got Google now. Gold and NAS both just popped.
NASDAQ pop.
Well, NAS a little more.
Oh, pop ball. Right to the target. Right to the target, which was the daily wick fill. Yep. Lovely. Yeah, I really like this pair. Really like it. Bring out the whole Sam Cap. Is Sam Capital here yet? Sammy the Bull?
No, I don't see him, no. Oh. Boy.
Yeah, nice move. News will do it. What did News do? News actually... Yeah, News ran it up. Actually, News didn't do much here. 8.15. The push came after. Gold still no bottom wick here. Still just trying to move up. Steven here from Manchester, UK. Let's go, Steven. Good to see you, bro. Anyone in GJ? I am not in GJ. What's GJ doing? Gold's got a bottom wick out of MT5. I don't have anything here. Yeah, we closed above the 30, but not above the 15, and also no bottom wick there, so. If we would have had a bottom wick, may have been in this, but yeah. Cigarette break for until 9:15. Yeah, 8:45 coming in. So if you need a bathroom break, if you need to go run out and grab coffee, whatever you got to do, it's probably going to be the best time to do it here at 8:45. Quit smoking cigarettes. Just quit it.
You got this.
You can do it.
We believe.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Is there?
Drinking whiskey? Yeah. Hitting some whiskey. Drinking that Mountain Valley spring water.
Take the water. Hey, is gold
water.
coming down now?
I'd be drinking plastic bottle water too much.
So what are you
Time to go
saying?
with the
Glass water?
Yeah. There's our bottom
shit.
wick.
Finally. I feel like water honestly tastes better than glass.
Glass. There's our bottom wick there, chat. Would you look at that?
Oof.
You
Damn.
look at this.
Yeah,
You
well,
are
Would you look at
taking
that?
bottom
yeah,
and
there's
break it
a few
high.
more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
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 Just look
well,
at
What
it.
the heck is that?
What the heck is
Oh, look
that?
at this. You got me running.
Let's look at it.
Bottom wick. What do you know?
Why we don't get FOMO here?
That's our fake out? Possibly, yep. Did you look at it? Oh, man. Yeah, maybe we'll get a 30-minute fake out here.
I think so. Those are the vibes I'm getting.
Did you look at that?
That.
Oh, you missed it, John. You didn't hear it. John's on Zoom. He can't hear when we play the funny noises.
Nope. Nope.
What the heck is that? Anything is possible. Mama.
Yo. I was punching the wall.
Well, we'll see. If you may have made a. There's two options here, right? You may have made a bottom wick to shoot up now, or maybe you do want to close below here, but we won't know the answer to that for another at least 2 minutes to 15 minutes. The 4 hours closing here, so if it's 8:45 and the 4 hour wants to pull back, and 15 gives you a resistance, that's the only time I may take a position at 8:45 is if we're going with the pullback. But I'd much rather see a 30 close and then a 4 hour, 1 hour close as well here, which is in 17 minutes. I think that's going to be best. 30 closure, we could probably have sell stops on the, not the opening of the 4 hour, but pretty close to the opening. That was cringe. Oh yeah, Landon. Yeah, go ahead, bro. I'll look out for them now. Yeah, can we get a 30 closure back belowsure so we can get some exposure to the markets? Oh yeah, we got the guitar going now. GJ doing nothing. Nothing. We are always going to have the regular. Oh. Yeah. Gold going down. Oh, nice. Yeah, let's see. 15's gonna close here.
I would like that.
Gonna wait
I'd
for
much rather take sells.
Yeah, much rather take sells here today than buys, right? We broke the highs, but we never aggressively kept moving up there, right? So this 1 hour close is huge right now, right? Because if the 1 hour closes below, 30-minute closes back in the range, 15 has a resistance, then I think we're going to move down here, right? I think we're going to start to move down. That'll be a nice 4 hour rejection as well. And then you have this low that was created, right? Support. So if you can come up now and then now create that resistance to move down, I think that'll give us the green light on the daily candle moving down here. But if you do get closures above, then there may be a different story to tell here. So we just got to wait. Yeah, Landon, I'm not too sure I have an accurate answer for that, to be honest, man. I never really sample sized that theory or that idea. So, yeah, I'm not too sure, man. I think that's something that you should maybe pay attention to and, like, watch, right? Just if you see that happening over and over, what you can say is, hey, I may be onto something here. Study that, right, over the course of the next couple months, and then you may have something there, right? If it you know, plays out and the probabilities seem to work out more than not, you may have something there, you know, to go into 2024 with. So I would keep studying that move. I've personally never really kept an eye on anything like that, so yeah, I couldn't really answer that. What the chat's doing. The OG guitar, baby. Oh, George has seen the same thing. Interesting. Yeah, you guys should keep an eye on that. Streams behind like 5 minutes? Not a chance. No way. Music is loud. Hey, let this man cook. Yeah, that's another thing that Sam developed. Cook. Let him cook. Let the guitars cook here. We never interrupt this man. He goes hard, man. Just gotta let him cook when he's cooking. Typically, we're gonna get a cook. He cooks every day right around 8:45. Oh, yep, look, the mod god has spoken. Oi!
Oi.
Bro, you make trading seem easy. Why are people complicating it with CBD arrays? I have no idea, bro. I'm not that smart, man. I'm not smart enough to complicate this thing. Right? Someone asked a question the other day. They said, what do you think is the most... what was the question? What do you think is the most complicated thing about trading, or the hardest thing? And the answer was, the hardest thing is understanding how simple it actually is. How simple it is when you can really sample size and develop a playbook. Once you have a playbook, everything begins to get simple at that point. So every decision is based off of that playbook and, you know, the success rate of that playbook. So I don't know why. I don't know why people complicate it. Hey, maybe price action is complicated to them and they use those indicators and all that stuff to make it more simple. I don't know. I think everyone's brain works a little bit different. So yeah.
Hey, y'all need to let that gem for my brother sit in with y'all. That's deep.
Let it sit. Just let it cook. Let it marinate in the brain.
Let it marinate. Just take some time and just let it marinate.
Yep. The question was, what do you think? What would you say is the hardest thing about trading? And the answer was to understand how simple it really is. That it's actually simple. It's actually not complicated.
Damn, that's great.
Simple.
Let that marinate.
Simple, but not easy. right?
Yeah,
No one said it was easy, but we did say it was simple.
there's a difference.
If the music's too loud, you're too old.
What's up, Daisy?
Daisy. How you doing, Daisy?
Wait. Hey, yeah, some brains are slow, yeah, but the cool thing is we all have brains, so use it. All right, let it marinate in your brain.
Yeah.
Get it in all different ways, shapes, and forms.
How does how does those candles look on the lower time frame, Don? Oh man, wrong stream, bro. You're on the wrong tab, as Wix would say. You gotta go on the top of the screen. You gotta click the other tab there. Yeah, wrong stream. Where's Ray Capital? He's got to be here. I'd be shocked. I'll eat my hat if he's not here. No, I'm just kidding.
Ray Capital, you here?
Are you trading live? No, this is all pre-recorded.
Yo, yes sir, he's here.
Yeah, see?
My man doesn't chat.
I would have ate my hat if he wasn't
notes.
here. Right in front of y'all. Did we take a trade already? No, Jake, we didn't take a trade yet.
Where John was wearing Nick's hat last week. Nope, I was not.
3-second pre-recorded, yeah. All right, look at this. Moving on up after that bottom wick was created. So we're going to get a 4-hour close here in 8 minutes. We're also going to get a 1-hour closure. So if we close above and 30-minute close above, then next candles could be some rocket ships moving on up. We got 9:30. We got a couple pieces of volume that are going to come into the market here very soon. So yeah, if this thing wants to move up, we've got clean traffic ahead of us here. Can we take a trade on the break of the previous candle? Sure, yeah. But I'm gonna wait because there's 7 minutes left for a 4-hour candle closure, so I'm just gonna wait here. You got a cap warehouse. You got a whole warehouse for the caps. Yeah, while we wait, I'm gonna grab some more water and yeah, you want some water, John?
Nah, I got it. Thank you though.
You good? All right, cool. All right, yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Warehouse.
Yeah, chat. If you need anything right now, water, bathroom break, a sandwich, a coffee, go do it now. While we wait. Do you live in the same house? No. You talking about me and Nick? No, we don't. And man, I need some pips. I'm hungry. AB Mike, I feel you, bro. Feel you. I'll take some pips, facts, options. I'll take some pips also. I'm letting the pips come to me. You've been trading since 2 a.m. and you've had 1 bathroom break? Yeah.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That's pretty solid. If I'm drinking a lot of water, I gotta go to the bathroom multiple times in like 4 hours. Yeah, Hunter, I am Nick's brother. Yep. Your fingers are itching, John, buys or sells. It's time to tie your hands behind your back.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Or if y'all struggle with that, that might be an option for y'all.
Brother, stop.
Options. I feel that it could definitely get annoying. Like, damn, I just took this. Like, I gotta go take another one. Like, at the park watching the stream, my dogs wanted to go, but I'm waiting for the 4-hour closure. Yo, imagine your dog trying to trade. Oh no, it'd be too impatient.
Your dog
Hey,
trading.
Sergio, nice. What you eating?
Imagine the dog trades better than you.
Like, bro, just all you gotta do is be patient.
Oh, Sergio, post it in the food channel here. Yo, did someone have a slice of pizza here for their birthday? Is that pizza or cake?
Dude. Yeah, I've never seen that. If that's pizza,
Oh, nice.
that looks like a quesadilla or something.
Oh,
Let's
nice.
make it.
Potential to stack though. Oh yeah, there we go, Aaron. Yeah, now we're talking.
Not the
Some
steaks.
wagyu. Yo, do you guys think Americans sound funny? I seen the funniest meme yesterday. It was like how English, what English sounds like if you don't already understand the language. Yo. Oh man, I wish I saved that video.
Wild.
You guys think Americans sound funny? Accents? There's Aaron.
Yo,
Yeah, man. Looking
Anyone who
good.
had to learn English, I give you props, man. Props, respect.
It's a pizza. It's a piece of cake. How come your 4-hour closes in another hour? It's probably because you're using your broker is using a different liquidity provider. So some of them close an hour or so after. So that's the reason why. English 3 hard 5 me? Huh? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Look at BTC, it's going to the moon. Awesome. I love to keep hearing that. Yeah. No regular cake. Yo, facts. Alrighty, gold. What's the deal
What we
here?
about to get?
English is hard. Oh. Where did we enter the trade at? We entered right here. We had a super tight stop. And we just closed partials right at that wick fill. Yeah.
See that entry?
Holla at me. I'm putting out a new course on exactly how I'm able to do this on a day-to-day basis. All right. Let's get serious. So, we have gotten a 4-hour closure here. We did close bullish, right? So we're looking pretty good moving up here. The 1 hour also did close bullish above the range. The 30-minute also did close bullish above the range. 15-minute has created some sort of support. Did we close above? We closed slightly above on the 15. So I am expecting to see a bottom wick here on the 4-hour time frame. As long as we were respecting these, well, we may even break these 30 lows. So if we could break those 30 lows and come down a little bit, that'd be awesome. That would be our 4-hour bottom wick there, and then we can plan to take this move back up here. So let's wait for these 30 lows to break, and then there may be some sort of opportunities coming up for us. There it goes. There's the lows there. Beautiful. Awesome. All right, just gotta wait here. Let's let this 4-hour do its thing, open up. It's broken the 30 lows, which is good. 15 lows have been broken as well. So what would be ideal here is if this 15 can fake out potentially, and then the next one close back above to continue up. That would also lead to the 30-minute moving bullish, the 1 hour moving bullish, and the 4-hour here. So I'm just gonna wait as of right now and see how this candle closes here at 9:15. Juicer. Yeah, juicer, possible juicer. We'll see. What up, Rafi? How you doing, brother?
Rafi. What would be nice, honestly, is that 30 fake out. But we'll see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That would
Whatever price action do.
Yep. What's going on, my man? Just getting on the stream. What up, Rafi? How you feeling today, bro? How you doing? Oh, look, NASDAQ. Nice. Very nice. So you got a 1 hour closure above here. So let's see how the 4-hour close here. Yeah, really nice 4-hour close. Very nice 1 hour close. Same thing as gold here. I think that it just needs a little bit of time to start making bottom wicks here on the 4-hour. Yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute closes too, gang, because 30 is a huge closure. Really, really, really big closure here. If 30 closes below, then you may see a push down, but I like this. I think we may come up to clean this move here. So travel up here up into like 95 here today. Yeah. Hi Nick, what up Tommy? For the celery setups, what do you enter on the current candle? Yes. And when do you enter on the previous? Typically the previous one is always going to be like a bigger, more so like a bigger wick, right? So you'll have like a, let's say a bullish close, right? And the candle will look like this. And then on the ideal celeries, you want like this candle to close with a smaller top wick, something like that, and then this is your entry. So this is your entry here. A lot of times this wick is going to be more so a wick fill, so that's going to kind of give price a overall target to tap into. And then, you know, if it breaks that high, then that's typically when you'll see, you know, the run, right? So usually my my stops are gonna, my entries are gonna sit right here, right there. Now, if let's say this wick here just happens to be smaller, right? So let's say it happens to be, let me just delete. Say it looks like this, right? If it looks like that, then I think it's in your best interest to enter on the break of that high. So it all depends on this wick, right? If this one's like this, then it's impossible to enter on the break of that high. Ideally, this is going to be your best entry right here. All right, 15 moving back up here. Yeah, if we remain above, then we'll be in here at 9:15. So give it like 10 minutes here. You trading FOMC today? Yes. Yes. Yeah, you may also see the bigger move later on today. So we'll live stream that too. So you just come back here around like 1:50 p.m. and we'll have the live stream going. So two streams today. What's the best pair that won't F up beginners? A slower pair, like Euro USD. Something like that. NZD USD. GJ. Nah, don't trade GJ. Oh yeah, special November 1st. 2 streams. That's right. Yeah, that's true. True that. Got it? All right, cool. Cool. Shiro trades gold as a beginner. There you go. Sam's got to be sleeping. He's sleeping.
Yes,
He was up. He was definitely up late last night.
Yeah.
How many people we got here today? 1,700 people in the building. Shout out to all you guys. Thanks for being here today. Hope you guys are learning something. Hope you guys are growing a bit. Hope you guys are on your way. If you're not productive and profitable in your trading, I hope you get there, man. I hope you start to learn what needs to be done, and not only just learn it, but apply it, right? Nothing happens, right? Everyone says knowledge is power. I beg to differ. I think applied knowledge is power, right? If you're not applying what you're learning, then there's really no power in it, right? It's no good to have all these ideas in your brain, in your mind, but not actually bring them about. So hope you guys are learning. Hope you guys are moving and grooving in your life outside of trading, and just wishing y'all, nothing but the best here. Let's see. We got a closure coming up. 15-minute close in 5 minutes here. So we'll see how this 15 closes and see if we can get on the bullish train here if price wants to move up. It's a down trade in gold. Alrighty. Any recommendation on funded accounts? I like the funded trader so far. They're not bad. I also, yeah, that's about it. There's another one out there. What was it called, John? The ones that use Dominion?
Oh, Funded Frontier.
Funded Frontier seems pretty good. They use Dominion markets.
Yeah, they do. Look around, like look on their website, see what they offer, see their reviews. Check them out before you invest in them. On the next, yeah, I think I've heard good things about Fund the Next.
I'm with Funded Frontier, and it isn't bad at all. Dominion market's good so far, except for spread on pound yen. Okay, cool. Yeah, pound yen, man, seems to be. The 5%ers have the best spread. Oh, nice. 5%ers. There you go. Skilled funded trader. All right, we got 3 minutes here for the 15 closure. So let's see how this 15-minute candle does close up. And we may have some possible entries here. I've been here for about 2 months with you, price action. I struggle to understand when you say the wick is too small. Can you explain? Yeah, sometimes the wicks are too small, right? Sometimes you're looking for a steeper wick, or I don't necessarily need a wick like this, but certainly don't want one like this, right? I like just something there, right? Like this is almost considered nothing. So I like something, right? Like this wick right here, very nice wick. This one right here, very nice wick. So it all depends too on where, you know, a lot of times price wants to tap back into a certain area. Like you see the wick here kind of came up, tapped that white line again before driving down. So yeah, it all depends. Every situation's a bit unique. So you gotta go off of current, you know, what the market's telling you. So I need something though, right? I don't want a little itty bitty, like this right here is just too small. See the wick here? It's too small for me. Oh, what do we have here? What do we have here on this 15-minute candle? 5%ers have low leverage, good for trading one pair at a time. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, I heard some good stuff about 5%ers.
Or Blue Guardian is pretty good too.
Blue Guardian. They're a prop firm?
Yeah.
Oh.
Think so. I thought I heard that they were.
All right, 43 seconds for the 15 close here. So we'll see how this candle closes up. We may have buys here off the 15-minute celery play if we close above. Yeah, lock it in, chat. If we close above this 15-minute range, then I will most likely have buy stops ready.
Looks clean on the 1 hour, 4 hour.
Oh wow, yeah. If we close below though, different story here. Yeah, you've got a new support here, right here. Yeah, we did close below, so let's see if we make a low. Yeah, I might have sell stops here, chat. Price could potentially start moving back down here. Let me see. I want to. The 30-minute close is going to be really big for us. 15 did close below. I don't necessarily know if I want to take this trade off the 15. I think the 30 closure is going to give us much more direction here, and then we also have volume coming in. So I think the 30 close may be our best option here. We do have a wick fill to come down about 10 pips. 30 minutes still open. We did get a nice rejection here from the top side as well though. So yeah, this could be the potential fake out that we're looking for. So I think I'm going to wait on the 30-minute here and wait for 9:30. We have volume coming in because this candle is all over the place. So we're just going to wait. If it happens to go on the 15, it may drive and fill that wick here. But I think the 30 is going to be our best option in terms of direction.
I agree.
Yeah, you may get the wick fill here though. The news, I think there's news at 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's news at 10 here. New York Strip. Yeah, that wick fill, man. Can you change the history tab? Yeah, one sec. Yeah, there we go. Would have got about, I think 10. Maybe 10 there.
Is it worth 10? Damn, GJ closed right at support.
I know, I've seen GJ. GJ closed that support. You may get a, you may actually create support here now. It just filled up. Hour candle moving down, 4 hour candle moving down. That's the other thing too, these higher time frames. We really need a 30 closure, right? Because if anything, these higher time frames could just start pushing back up now. 1 hour, 4 hour after making a bottom wick there. So yeah, so let's see. Let's just wait.
Let's see Nas. Nas breaking them highs right now.
Oh yeah, this is a goner. Oh yeah, you got clean traffic
Yeah,
now.
too. Yeah.
Smooth ride up. It should be a smooth ride up here.
144.95. Here we come.
Yep. Yeah, you should pump up here. May wait for 9:30. Yeah, I think we would have hit break even there. I don't think I would have closed anything. There was like 10 pips maybe. So I think we might have, if we took that, we may have tapped BE at that point.
Just would have spent money on commissions.
Yeah. Yep. Let's wait on the 30 closure here. 30's got a resistance here. If we can close above, I think you have a 30-minute seller replay. Price should be able to move up pretty good. Yeah, anytime it's between 15-minute or 30-minute, I'm typically going to wait on the 30. It's just so much better of a confirmation. What's the seller replay? It's more like a candle pattern. So it's kind of like a bullish closure. And then let's say a bearish closure, but a bearish close above. So above this range here. So if this candle closes above the range, then you may have a seller replay, right? So next candle should drive up like so. Give it some time, give it some time. Let it cook. Let it cook.
Yep. Gotta be patient. Time to be patient.
Time to TTP.
Yep.
No, time to patient. Yeah, time to patient.
Yeah. TTP, yeah.
Do you believe in Jesus? Yes. Not only do I believe in Jesus, I know Jesus very well. I talk to him on a daily basis. I'm connected to the vine. I'm in the vine, gang. I'm in the vine.
Sir.
Without the vine, without being connected to the vine, you can do nothing. I'm in it. Where's Mike? Where is Mike? Mike is not. I haven't seen Mike in a week. In 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, where's Mike been? We need that man.
Mike, where you at?
See what happens when Mike would he would come in here and joke around and quake on us and do the funny stuff, but then I just showed him so much love. I poured so much love into him. I made the chat pour so much love that he was just forced to stop quaking. He was just forced to become our friend. We hit him with the kindness, man.
That's the best way to slap someone with kindness.
Mike's eating 40 pips on NASDAQ. Yeah, hopefully Mike's doing well. Haven't seen him in probably a week or two, I would say. Yeah, I like Mike. MMT. Oh man. All right, did we break the 15 lows again? No, yeah, we didn't break the 15 lows again. Man, if this 15 can close bullish back above the range, 30-minute close bearish back above the range, this is going to be an ideal setup here. Something like this. And then we take our buys moving up. And what that looks like on the 30-minute is just something like this. All right, it just looks like a celery play. All right, we take our buys off of this new candle, off of this new 15/30. And then this is what it looks like on the 1 hour. Just a simple breakout or a simple move up.
And the 4 hour.
And 4 hour looks like this too.
Yep.
So very important to understand what things look like on the 15-minute time frame, right? On the 30-minute, on the 1 hour, and on the 4 hour time frame. Very, very important. But we'll see if we get it. 15 still continuing down here, so.
Let's see, big closure, big closure.
30 minutes gonna close here in 4 minutes. What tool is that? That is this one right here. I like this one. I think this one disappears after it's being done. Oh, it fixes itself. Oh,
That's
okay.
sick.
Oh, nice.
Pros to living in 2023.
Oh, wow. I never used this one. There's one that deletes itself. Is it this one? Yeah, that one fades out. That one's cool. I like that one.
That's what's up. That's so smart they added that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, this whole thing is just a Zoom annotation. No, it's not Trading View. It's a excuse me, it's a feature on Zoom. Hey, AB Mike. Mics may come and mics may go, but AB Mike stays forever. Let's go.
Nice.
Why am I losing today in a trade? That's not a question for me. That's a question for the mirror. You gotta look in that mirror and say, why am I losing? And then you will figure out the answers. And then you'll say, I found out why I lost, and now I could make some money. Oh, damn, sorry about that. Yeah, gotta ask yourself that question. Or post some charts. You know, we could take a look at them. All right, 1 minute here. Are we gonna get a pullback? Please don't close at no bottom wick.
Lock it in. Don't start driving now.
I guess 9:15. I think we would have got BE here though. Yeah, we would have been BE. All right, let's see when the news is coming out here. So we have 9:45. We have CAD news here at 9:30. We also have 9:45 USD news and 10 a.m. USD news. So we got some news coming up ahead of us here. 1 hour still respecting the lows. 4 hours obviously still respecting. 30-minute bin blown out of the water. 4 hour wick, 15-minute wick fill. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We got 36 seconds here. We got a support level right here as well. GJ's clean. If we can close with a wick here. We need a pullback though. Got 15 seconds. It looks like both closures are gonna be no bottom wicks.
Ew. That's disgusting.
Yeah, no bottom wick here on pound yen.
Gross.
And
Gold.
no bottom wick on gold.
Ugh, disgusting.
Yikes. Yikey yikes. So nothing here for us at 9:30, man.
Alright, I'm gonna head out now. Yo, we all that SpongeBob meme right now, right?
I'm about to head out. Someone's like, I need a trade. I'm just taking a buy here. No bottom wick. The heck with it. Do it. Yeah, you could have your no bottom wick strategy here.
Look.
TTW. Time to quake.
Goldie likes to troll a little bit.
Ah, man. Wanted 9:30. 9:15, I guess, is the push down here. So, yeah, that was the move. Tapped into support. And just dead stop here. So, we'll see what happens if we actually... Oh, wow, look at this. Moving down. Glory to the Father.
Thanks.
Oh, wow. Look at this. GJ moving down, too. Oh. Smoke
That would
show.
be.
It's the smoke show today. Let's take a look at gold 1 hour. Did we break the lows there? Yeah, I think we broke 1 hour lows there. Yep. Interesting. Dog's whining. All right, bro. You think that trade could be consistent? Which trade? Which one, brother? Is there a second stream today? FOMC? Yes. Yeah, we'll do 2 streams today. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, I think we should be good. Gold driving here, breaking 1 hour lows. Big W on NASDAQ. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think we would have we would have gotten buys here on the NASDAQ there. So yeah, another W move here. Definitely would have closed partials. Yeah, W move. Your next stop is 145. That's gonna be your next stop here. It should be a clean move up. It should be a clean move up. Goldie playing games here. Playing games. How to deal with FOMO and over trading. Understand that all losers, all losing traders, they do that, right? Those are traits of losing traders. So if you do that, you're gonna be a losing trader. So how to deal with it is just saying, hey, why should I have FOMO here, right? I waited for an opportunity, it didn't come up. You know, there's in the market's gonna move, right? There's gonna be millions of dollars thrown around every single candle here, right? But you really got to be selective with which candles you're gonna trade, right? And if it's not your trade, then there should never be FOMO, right? If it's not your trade, then it's not your position to take. So you shouldn't fear of missing something that wouldn't even be yours anyway. Like I always remember, I would wake up and see this move in London and beat myself up about missing it. It's like, dude, you were sleeping. Like you have to, you know, so you have to understand which moves are yours and which moves aren't. And the only way you miss a move is if your playbook setup showed up, everything lined up to the T, and you just didn't execute. Then you can say you missed a move. But if it's not your move, then there should be no fear of missing out. And the reason that you are over trading is because you're fearing missing out, right? So you want to get in, get in, get in. So the two go together. GJ sells are good. GJ sells, so look, so everything lined up for this, for me, outside of this candle, needed to leave a wick. So look, if this candle now drives all the way down, which it very well can, I have zero FOMO here. If the candle went like this, I would have zero FOMO, not even one speck of FOMO, because this wasn't a trade I would have entered anyway. Right? No bottom wick, no top wick. This isn't my move, therefore I'm not gonna have FOMO over that. You dig? How do you deal with not being able to press the button? I knew the market was going to retrace, but I couldn't bring myself to take the sell after the stream yesterday. Yeah, I think you just need a little bit more experience in the market. So as you get experience, you develop, you see that over and over and over again, and your confidence becomes bigger and bigger. So right now you're trying to press the button. As you see that more, you'll eventually start, without any hesitation, go ahead and press the button, because you're like, you know what, at this point I've seen this too many times to let this go. But you have to build up those couple times of actually letting it go to understand, hey, there may be something here that I can capitalize on moving forward. And as you see the play more often, and that's where sample sizing your data comes into play, then you develop more and more confidence to actually, you know, execute that trade. Yeah, I think we've all been there. And that's how that's a good meter, right? So you realize, hey, I'm getting pretty good. I'm getting pretty good at this. I should put some money on the line now. Right? You'd say, man, I expected that move. I expected that 3 times in a row, and it played out all 3 times. I'm actually getting pretty good at this. I can read the markets pretty well, and that's what's going to boost your confidence, and that's what's going to get you to click that button. All right. The sudden move down has suddenly picked itself back up here. So will this be the 4-hour bottom wick? Because look, we never broke the lows. So for a 4-hour candle can still move up, even if it breaks 1-hour lows, 30 lows, 15 lows. As long as it respects the 4-hour low, then this candle's still in position to move on up here. How many guys took sells and you're like, ah, shucks. It's flipping. I should have listened to the YouTube guy about this no bottom wick thing. What time is it? Yeah, 15 closes here in a few minutes. Got news coming in. We weren't really able to break past all this here. We kind of went in that zone and rejected out of it. So yeah, 4 hours still looks healthy. Now we just need to see the 15 and the 30 start playing out bullish again, and then we'll look to take our buys. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, I don't know how some of these streamers, whether it's video game or trading or whatever, I don't know how they must not drink any water. They must never drink water in their stream. Let's look at the Dixie here, the good old DXY. Moving up here, no top wick though. No top wick. They drink Prime. Is the green time ticker on your chart part of the overlay? Are you talking about this? Right here? This is part of TradingView. Yeah, it just tells you how much time is left in the candle. We got more news coming out here in just a few minutes. News may take us and flip on the 4-hour. Yeah, a bullish closure would be great. Support form would be awesome. Catheter. What is the bull on the left for? Oh, it's just you know, a trading thing. Bulls and bears. Maybe we could be break even before news. Well, maybe, just maybe, if the news wicks us down, right, and this candle closes bullish, news wicks us down and then breaks this high, that could be our entry for price to move up and for price to start breaking the 4-hour highs. So we got to see how the spreads are looking, but we got 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So let's see what happens on the initial open of the candle. Let's see how this candle closes first and how the new one opens up, and you know, maybe we'll have something. Maybe, just maybe. Yeah, we've got somewhat of a support right here. Really, the support is right here on the 1 hour, right? So there's a support right here on the 1 hour. It gets very choppy below there. But, yeah, let's see if we close bullish here. NASDAQ, did NASDAQ reach a destination here? Yep, tapped. So yeah, smooth ride up there. Very, very smooth ride up. Very predictable there on the NASDAQ. So lovely. Yeah, for those who took that trade, this W on the sample size data here. Yeah, looked good. Looked good on the way up. Looked really good on the 30-minute time frame. And looked really, really good on the 1 hour time frame as well here. So beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, that was lovely.
Clean move. You caught that, AB Mike? Okay, so look, the news is going to come out here. So we've got an exhaustion wick to the downside after a candle close with no top wick. If we can get a bullish close here and then a pretty steep bottom wick. Some of you guys remember the trade we entered around 8:30 last week? Yeah, last week. Very similar, right? If we can make a steep bottom wick on the news, on the open of the news, and then break the high here, very high chance we're going to come up to 86 here. And if we break those 4-hour highs, continue on up. So let's see how the candle closes. Let's see how the spreads look. And there may be something here for us. So here comes the news. We've got to drive down first. We must drive down. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Studying Nas a lot. Ditto. Will we get a bottom wick? News at 10. Yeah, we got more news at 10, man.
Yeah, no. And we got FOMC later.
These numbers came out identical, so shouldn't be much change there. Yeah, it's a red folder.
Yep.
Yeah, I think the same concept can apply here. If the 30 could just stay put, I think the same exact concept could apply at news. If we move down, create a steep bottom wick, and then move up, right? We're trying to create a support here. See how there's a support right here on gold? We're trying to create that support. We've already done it on the 15, but now we need to see that closure on the 30 to add some more confirmation. 4 hours starting to move back up here as well. And yeah, the 1 hour is going to close here too. So look, if the 1 hour closes like back above this resistance here, then you have a 1 hour celery play as well. So patience. It's all starting to come together here for us. Just got to wait. Let it cook. Let it fold. Let it fall into our hand, right into our lap. Every good trade, gang, will typically fall right into your lap. You won't have to go out forcing it or, you know, searching it and searching for it. It should come right to you.
And that is trading, right? Like, we have to be patient, because when we are trading, when we come to the charts in the morning, when we do our top-down analysis, we're waiting for these names to come to us. We're not going after it, right?
Correct.
Just wait on it. Maybe you might.
Where are you from, bro? Wakanda. I am from, I'm originally from New York. Yeah, look at this. 1 hour moving back up. Oh, yeah. Gave a 1 hour bottom wick there, too. When will you eat your hat? The day Ray Capital doesn't show up. Ray, you better be here every day, buddy. Don't make me eat my hat, Ray.
Yeah.
Wakanda. God bless you. There's the man, Ray. Hey, shout out to Ray Capital. Shout out to all the boys at the crib right now, too. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys are enjoying it, learning. I know you guys are sharpening each other like iron, and it's good to see, man. Love to see it. We got a lot of people that link up. They pull up to each other's houses and chill and watch a stream together and take notes together, and that's always fun.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what. You need someone like that, right?
Yeah.
Do better. Someone like you could trade with, and right after the session, talk to them about it, right? What you guys both saw, helping each other get better.
Yeah. Group fun. Yeah, it's always fun when you can work together as a group. All right, we got 8 minutes here. So 8 more minutes, and we should we have some more news coming. But if we get a nice bottom wick, and it takes a couple minutes, and we start re-breaking highs here, especially the 1 hour highs here, then there may be an opportunity for us to jump in on these buys. You got pretty clean move coming up. A lot of clean traffic. Beautiful celery play forming up. We'll see if we actually get it, but yeah, very, very nice move up here. So keep an eye on the spreads here with this news release. Right now my spreads are about 1.2 pips. 1 hour looking good though. Do we have a Discord? Yes. Just hit ! Discord. Love your content, man. Thank you so much for taking the time to teach us. Greetings from Dominican Republic. What up, Emmanuel? How you doing, man? Looking good.
Let's see. Exposure.
From Malaysia, hello. Yo, yo. Greetings from Singapore. Greetings. Greetings. Let's set up a copy trade for the usuals from your trade. That's gonna be Nick Steward FX. He might hit you up with that one. Nick Stewart 22244_ might hit you with that one. Hey man, remember that trade copier you wanted? I've granted access. It will only cost you $1,500 a week, but we will take your money. We will take your worthless pennies and turn it into millions. Nick Stew 123 is gonna hit you with that one, yeah. Some of these guys are actually pretty good. They duplicate. Some of them don't even have the same profile pic as me anymore. So like, I mean, come on, you gotta stay up to time with it.
They're terrible at their job.
Yeah. 5,000 per week.
100% win rate.
I was talking with Rojo Bunks.
1, 2, 3.
Mr. Rojo Bunks. I love when the people call him Roger. That's the greatest. Sniper underscores. Oh man. Yeah, I usually love to entertain the scammers. I'll keep rambling on with them, make them think that they got me, you know? Sometimes just bored during the day, just have some fun. You get some like, you get some like Johnny Boy, like Johnny Stew hit me up where it's clearly my brother and he's asking me how's my trading going. I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna be great. Let's get this guy.
For real, yeah. That's too funny. Like, all right, man, I'm trusting you that this $1,000 that I give you, you're gonna give me 10,000 back, right? I'm trusting you.
I make them
feel like
I really make them feel
terrible.
horrible. I test their conscience. I'm like, dude, this is literally like me and my family aren't. You said 48 hours, right? Like me and my family can go 48 hours without eating, but like I need to know this will be back by 48 hours. Like, are you sure? Do you promise? We can do the 48 hours with no food, but anything after that, man, like this is really gonna be done in 48, right? I'm giving you my whole life savings here. My children's college fund and all that.
Scammers be evil. You gotta make them feel bad.
We'll send them like $1. All right, here's the mother load, bro. Let me know when it comes in. $1. $1. Do you guys do signals? Yeah, you can hit exclamation point signals in the chat and the links will pop up for you. This is our signals room here. So every trade comes in similar, right? New order. You get all the points here. You'll see how much I'm risking for my gain. You'll see when the order is activated. You'll also see when I take partials. You'll also see when I close. So yeah. Yeah. Signals channel on fire here. GJ, no bottom wick, no entry, gang. For that very reason. Nice support being formed here, though, on the 30. Khaled919 with the big $2 dono. Thank you, Khaled919. You didn't have to do that, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. W's in the chat for Khaled.
Khaled.
Yeah. Oi! GJ Khaled. Where's Sam? Oh, man, where is Sam? We miss Sam here today.
Thanks.
For the people that drink a lot of water that don't want to miss trades, yo, that's hilarious, LeGrand. Yo, that's too funny. That's funny. Sam knows. Yeah, Sam probably knows Gold's gonna troll here.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
One hour, man. 1 hour close coming up here. The 1 hour resistance is chilling right here. So this is a celery play, right? If we end up breaking that high there, you may see a pretty drastic move up. I really want news to let us in here. So I really need to see a bottom wick and then potential buy stops on the break of the 1 hour highs. Yeah, we need a bottom wick though, because we have 0 stop loss currently. 0 stop. 15, we'd have no stops here. Yeah, stop's gonna be the probably the current candle lows. So you guys, you know, this is going to be probably a little bit more of a riskier trade if we do end up taking this, you know, kind of not at the news open, but after getting a bottom wick. I mean, it could be a little bit more of a riskier trade. Oh, never mind. There it
Look
goes.
at that gap.
And Gold said, "Shut up, Nick Stewart. Just shut the heck up."
What a gap.
I will do what you want me to do. Just shut your mouth, Nick Stewart. Yeah, so there you go. Voila.
Yeah.
F your bottom wick, dude. All right, so yeah. Have a nice day.
I'm head out now.
All right, chat. I'm gone. Glory to the Father. All right, chat. I'll be back. And this is me. Hey, chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, broker gapped up. Yeah, look at that gap.
Nasty
Gnarly,
gap.
dude. Gnarly. Gotta love it.
Nasty.
You just gotta just love it, right? You just gotta admire
Literally.
it.
Just gotta love everything.
It's time to walk.
Nice. Time to lift my hands.
Yeah, naughty move.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we got, see, I don't want to close the stream down and then we start moving, right? So, and I also don't want to hold the stream open and we wait for FOMC, right? So let's wait another, we'll wait another candle or two here before we get off. This was epic. Hey, somebody clip that one. Yeah, so if we get this bottom wick here on gold, you know, that would be just amazing. And, you know, it's going to be a little bit of a riskier trade, but if we break that, boom. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. Yeah,
Well
that was TP1 right there. So we tapped.
Literally.
More so.
Bro, I was taking my bag.
Yeah.
Gold said, "Gotcha, bit."
Gotcha. I
And,
got slipped. Oh, yeah, slippage for sure.
Hell yeah.
I was in a little earlier. Yeah, lovely. If you were in earlier, like if we were in on the 15 move up, but that was also news, so it was tough to get in on these two candles here. GJ flying too. Oh. Oh. Dang. Holy. Holy. We're gonna watch Raja play the casino for FOMC today. If he's streaming. We're going to attend the Raja casino.
Roger.
Yeah, we may have more moves today around 2 p.m. So 2 or 3 p.m. somewhere around there.
Yeah, Daniel, right? Lock it in. Oh, never mind.
All right, chat. Here we go. Lock. Yeah. See you tomorrow.
I get that.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Where did he say he was streaming? No. Just come back to our stream.
Wait, Roger streaming?
What other streamer you know will put on another streamer? Not many streamers out here doing that type of stuff, man. Yeah, I'm sure he'll be on YouTube. He said something about thinking about it, so we'll see. Either way, we'll pull him up here. Maybe we'll invade his chat. We'll just tell him we all love him.
If you want to watch Raja, come to our stream to watch it.
Wow. Yeah, man. That's celery.
Yeah, I know that was gonna be money. We didn't have news.
Yeah. If we didn't have
Breaking
news,
news.
man, we would have been so if we didn't have news, we could have waited for the break of the high. Didn't necessarily need a bottom wick, but that was literally instantly 1 second. Gold, no. Gold's not making a bottom wick here. Is it? Is it? No way. Stealing Raja's view. What's gold doing? My eyes? Yeah, man. Yeah, there goes the 4 hour though, right? So the 4 hour and the 1 hour held pretty strong. Nice closure on the 1 hour. But like I said, if it's a 4 hour move, it can easily break. So some of you guys ask, hey, how come you wait for the bottom wick on the 4 hour? Like, why don't you just jump in once it closes bullish? Because you can have your stops below the 15 lows, and those could easily get smoked, right? You can have them below the 30 lows, and those can get smoked. You can have them below the 1 hour lows, and that will get smoked as well. But as long as the 4 hour respects its own low, which it did here, it's still good to continue up. So anytime we're waiting, anytime the new 4 hour opens, that's why I want to see that bottom wick. Because if we don't get that bottom wick, then at any point, if we're just holding stops below 15 lows or something, 30 lows, they can get wiped. They can get wiped real quick, and then price can continue bullish. Telling you, no bottom wick here, man. This thing's gonna go. Where did the NASDAQ go after that? Oh yeah, slowed up there. Couldn't we get in on the break of the highs? Yes. Could we get in on the break of the highs? Yes, but could we have gotten in on the break of the highs? Let's see. 6 seconds. Let's see if we had any time to do this. Candle open. Nope. No time. So if you would have got in on the break of the highs and had your buy stop set, you most likely would have been entered in up here. Yeah, the slippage would have just smoked you.
Literally everything we wanted to happen happened in that second.
So let's see. 1, 2, 3, boom. So 4 seconds in. Yeah, I don't think we could have done it. Slip to TP.
I think I saw like 3 pip spread too anyways, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Slip to the TP.
Slip into hell.
Yeah. Your TP's my slippage. Is it safe to anticipate the next 4 hour taking out these last 2 green candles like it did yesterday? 4 hour, yeah, because look, we can potentially we could just create a resistance. So look, there's still almost 3 hours left in this current 4 hour candle. So this candle could very well close back in the range here today, right? Setting up FOMC to potentially move down. And then what do you have here? You have what kind of market structure? Right? You just have a nice 4 hour move down, resistance formed, and then candles drive down. So yeah, that could 100% happen. You know, could definitely happen that way. Only time will tell. Only Jerome Powell will be able to tell us. But yeah, could very well be, right? Because we're looking at a downtrend. So we're looking at a move down, potentially a move up, right, for a move back down. The only thing is it's happening on a 4-hour chart. So it takes a little bit longer to form. But yeah, I think that's going to be it, gang. I think I'm going to go get a workout in, exercise here, and then we'll come back for like 1:50 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm not sure what time that is for y'all, but right around 1:50, I'll start the second live stream for the day, and then yeah, we'll continue on. We'll open up the press conference and see what Pal's got to say. Hopefully we'll see Sam. I think we'll see Sam later on in the afternoon. And yeah, I think that's it. Any questions? Last final questions, thoughts, anything like that? What you guys got?
Not for me.
Nah.
Good session, great session, right? Way to be patient, disciplined the session, and not budge on anything that wasn't ours.
Yeah, good patience here. I think the only opportunity we really had may have been at 9:15 here, but we made a decision to wait on the 30 there. So we made that decision prior. We stuck to it, and yeah, so that's probably the only like legit move that we had, if we want to call it legit. Other than that, really nothing in the session. So yeah, man. John, you gonna be back later?
Yeah, I should be.
All right, pal. Well, I'll see you then.
I bet. I'll talk to you later then. Chat. See you guys later. Have a good day.
Peace.
Peace.
All right, chat. Love y'all. Get a little break in here, and we'll be back in just a couple hours. So I'll see you guys around later on this afternoon. 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will be the start of the stream. So we'll see you guys then. Shiro, we'll miss you, man. We'll miss you. Hopefully you could pop in real quick, throw some knives, and get going. But yeah, I don't think this candle is going to create a bottom wick. So it's probably just going to rally up here. So that'll be it. I'm going to get off the charts for just like an hour or two, and then I'll be back. So love y'all. For those who are coming back, we'll see you back in a little while. For those who are out for the day, deuces. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.